so next up is going to ask us to verify our identity, and it's going to ask us to fill out our name, our address, and a little bit of extra information as well. So you can go ahead and get started, right, with filling out that information on that page, right, so that way we can go ahead and move forward. Now, next up, it'll ask us what you plan to use Coinbase for, right? And of course, we're here to invest. So let's just go ahead and hit the word investing to go ahead and move forward onto the next page, all right? Now, next up, it's going to ask our source of income. So you can put your occupation, investments, inheritance, et cetera, right? But for today, we'll just go ahead and say occupation, all right? Now, next is going to ask your employment status, where you can select whatever is, acceptable to you. So employed, unemployed. For me, I went ahead and hit self-employed. And as soon as I hit that button, right, it should allow you the opportunity to go ahead and get verified. All right. Now, I will just go ahead and say there are some times, right, some instances where they'll ask you to fill out some extra information, right? But for the bulk of people, it will go ahead and move on to this You're Verified page, and you're ready to go ahead and start investing.